In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Now, this is very quick and easy tutorial. Now, all you have to do, guys, you want to click on add apps in the left, okay? Now, after you click, guys, on add apps, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on Shopify App Store, okay? So probably the settings are different. Probably you will find the search in the top. You want to search for Ali reviews. Now, if you have the same settings as me, the same page as you can see here, click on Shopify App Store. And after that, guys, what you want to do, guys, next, you want to search for, after it loads, you want to search for Ali reviews, okay? You want to search for Ali, reviews. Now, this is the app that we want to download. It's called Ali Reviews app. This is the logo of the app, okay? Click on add app, and the second thing you want to do, guys, it will take you to this page. You want to click on install app in the top right, and it will give you two different options to choose from. One is premium and the second one is basic. Now, if you want to pay for it, you can pay for it, but for me, I always go with the free plan. So I'm going to click on sign up for free. And after that, guys, you want to click this X because I'm going to explain to you everything, okay? Now, after that, you want to click on manage reviews, and here you will find all the products that you have on your Shopify. Now, you want to click on import reviews, and now you can import reviews from Amazon or AliExpress. Now, you clicked on this video because you want to import reviews from AliExpress. Now, you want to go to AliExpress and find the product that is similar to the product that you are trying to advertise on Shopify. Now, I'm going to go to AliExpress. I'm going to find the product. This is it. It's a watch. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the watch and copy the link of the item and go back to the to Shopify and click Ctrl V so that you can paste the link here, or you can paste it like this. Now, after you paste it, you want to select here the number of reviews that you want to import to this product. So I'm going to select, for example, 5 reviews, and here you can select the country. If you want reviews to come only from United States, you can do that. But I don't choose any country. I always select all. Now here you can customize this. Like if you want reviews to come with images, you can just check this, but I don't like that. So I'm going to click on import. Okay. Now, as you can see, after you click, guys, on import, you want to go to your product and you want to wait, I would say 20 seconds for that to happen. Now you want to go to your product and then you will find the reviews will be imported to your product. Okay, now it has 0 because it takes, like I said, 20 seconds so that to see the product reviews. Okay, now if this, as you can see here, guys, they are imported now. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like.